When we talk about the NRI candidates admission in MBBS colleges in India, people generally thinks that this quota exists in private colleges only. But the truth is some states in India provides NRI quota admissions in their government colleges also. What are those states which provides NRI quota admission in MBBS colleges in government as well as in private also? What are the fee structure of these different states for MBBS in their respective colleges for NRI quota, and what would be the expected cutoff in 2021 regarding NRI quota admissions in different colleges in government as well as in private also. We will discuss about each and every detail of NRI quota in India for admission in MBBS through NEET 2021. You please stay tuned with Medica Wing. Hello and a grand welcome to all of you again on your favorite NEET informative channel Medica Wing. This is Amit and you are watching Medica Wing's YouTube channel. Guys, talking about NRI quota in India, then there are total 5 states which provides NRI quota in their government colleges. Those states are Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan and Puducherry. These 5 states provides NRI quota admission in their government colleges. The fee structure of these colleges differs in state to state, right? Some states having a fee structure of $12,500 per year, while in other hand there are states which have $30,000 per year as a tuition fee for NRI students. If you talk about the reservation of the seats in these colleges, then guys, total 7 to 15% reservation is there for NRI student. If any NRI student is not available in counseling or the seat is vacant, then these seats is transferred to the state quota in general or any other categories. The cutoff of these colleges for NRI students is low, as the number of students applying for these colleges or through NRI quota are less while they are applying in NEET examination, right? So due to the less number of NRI candidates, the cutoff goes down, and it has been seen that on the marks of 300 or 350 a student is eligible to get admission in government colleges in these states. Now we will discuss about the fee structure of different states in their medical colleges for NRI quota, right? Starting from the state of Himachal Pradesh, then guys, in Himachal Pradesh the NRI fee for government colleges is $20,000. This is per annum fees for first year, and for second, third, fourth and fifth year MBBS fee is for NRI candidate $20,000. In Haryana, the total fee structure for MBBS for NRI candidate is $25,000 at the time of admission, which is mentioned here, and $12,500 per year for next 4 years. In Rajasthan, the fee structure for NRI candidate was revised in 2020, and at the time of admission a candidate has to deposit $30,000 as well as per semester fees $15,000 a student has to pay if he is taking admission through NRI quota in Rajasthan. Guys, here are the fee structure for NRI candidates in Indira Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, which is in Puducherry. In Puducherry, the total course fee in US dollar is $1 lakh, right? And the caution deposit, which is refundable, that is 15,000 one time in US dollar. This fee structure is for Indira Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, which is in Puducherry. The Puducherry state also have private quota for NRI candidates also in their private colleges, as well as these all 5 states have private quota for NRI students in their private colleges. Apart from these 5 states, there are some states which provides NRI quota in their respective private colleges. Talking about the Gujarat is the states which provides NRI quota in self-financing institutes only, not in government colleges, right? And apart from these 5 states, these are the states which provides NRI quota in their private colleges. West Bengal only in private medical colleges, Madhya Pradesh only in private medical college, Kerala, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. These all states provides NRI quota in only in private medical colleges. Apart from these, all deemed medical colleges and all deemed medical universities, they have 15% of reservation for NRI candidates, right? And the counseling is done by MCC only. As we know that 100% of deemed allocation is done through MCC only. So guys, these were the states which provides NRI quota in their medical colleges, right? And in 2021, if any other states changes their rules and regulation to provide NRI quota, the same we will update in our YouTube channel as well as in our Medica Wing app also. If you have any question, if you want to ask anything, you can WhatsApp us on the number which is now being shown in the screen right now, as well as you can also comment in the comment section of this video. In next video, we will update the respective cutoff of these colleges or these states for NRI student. If you want to know the cutoff of other private as well as government colleges also, you can download our app which is now available in Google Play Store. If you like this video, please do share this content with your friends, as well as please do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you never miss an important update regarding NEET 2021. Thank you for watching Medica Wing. Thanks a lot.